Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking chicken curry. Over here I have chicken thighs, bone-in, skinless. Also, we have carrots and potatoes, green bell and red pepper. Also, I have a onion and garlic. Then, I'm using coconut milk in the can because that's the only coconut available in our area. And we're using curry powder. So, we're gonna start cooking, guys. Over here, I have a preheated oil. We are going to saute our onion and garlic first. Okay, next we are going to put our chicken. So, igisa muna natin siya ng konti. And then, we are putting paminta. And also salt. We are going to cook our chicken within 15 minutes. So the chicken is cooked. We are going to add our potato and carrots. And we are going to add 3/4 cup of water. And also some flavoring. I'm using Knorr powder chicken flavor. And we gonna wait until our potato and carrots to be done. We are going to add our curry. cook natin ang potato and carrots. Now we are going to add our coconut milk. Also our bell pepper. So I'm just gonna put it all. Okay. Tikman natin ang ating chicken curry. We need to add some fish sauce. So, ito yung version ko guys sa chicken curry. Hindi ko siya masyadong nilagyan ng curry powder kasi my husband don't really like a lot. So, yeah. Yum. Okay guys, yan na po ang ating chicken curry. Hopefully you guys like this video, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video guys. Thank you guys for